Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already downloaded the Tonkeeper wallet app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. You can easily create a new account if you don't have any. Now, in order to create a new Tonkeeper wallet, here you can see the wallet option at the top. Tap on it. It'll open up the list of wallets that you have in your Tonkeeper account. Now, in order to create a new Tonkeeper wallet, here you can see the Add Wallet option at the bottom. Tap on it. Now, from the given options, choose New Wallet option. If you have set passcode or fingerprint in your Tonkeeper wallet account, you can enter it. Now you can set up your wallet. You can give a name to your wallet account. You can customize the color. You can select the icon. And once you're done, you can tap on this save button. And there you go. You have successfully created a new Tonkeeper wallet. Now if you again select this wallet option from the top, here you can see your newly created wallet has been added. So that's it. That's how you can create Tonkeeper wallet. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.